This is a homework help video for the Ready, Set, Go problems for the lesson titled Leap Year. In the Ready section, students are asked to define the types of triangles and list their attributes. An equilateral triangle has 3 congruent sides and 3 congruent angles. Each of these angles measures 60 degrees. An isosceles triangle has 2 congruent sides and 2 congruent base angles. In a scalene triangle, all 3 sides have different lengths and all 3 angles have different measures. With an acute triangle, all 3 angles measure less than 90 degrees. An equilateral triangle is an example of an acute triangle. An obtuse triangle has one angle that measures more than 90 degrees, and a right triangle has one angle that measures exactly 90 degrees.
In the set, you're going to be using function rules to perform transformations. So let's transform the segment AB based on the rule f of xy equals negative yx. So first, we're going to want to find the coordinates of A and B. So point A is at 2, 3, and point B is at 3, 5. Now we're going to want to use the rule to transform the points. So point A, first we have to switch the coordinates, so it would be 3, 2, and then what was the y coordinate is going to become opposite, so A prime is located at negative 3, 2. For point B, we want to switch the coordinates, so it would be 5, 3, and then we need to make sure that we change the original y coordinate so that it's opposite, so B prime is at negative 5, 3. Last step is to graph the new transform points and then create the segment A prime, B prime. In the Go section, I'm going to be rotating about the origin. So let's rotate the line segment AB 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. So this time, instead of using the rule, the function rule, let's use concentric circles. So let's create concentric circles where the center is the origin. Now we want to rotate each point 90 degrees clockwise. So remember that right angles are formed by perpendicular lines. So I'm going to want to draw a segment from A to the origin and then use the slope to find A prime. So from A to the origin, AO, that slope is 3 because I go up 3 and over 1. So I know a 90 degree angle, I need the opposite reciprocal slope. So I'll go up 1 and over 3 to the left until I reach that first concentric circle. Now I want to do the same thing with point B. From B to O, my slope of this segment is 2. I go up 2 and over 1. So then to find B prime, I'm going to go up 1 and then over 2 to the left until I reach the larger concentric circle. My next step is to connect A prime and B prime, and I have successfully rotated segment AB.